Hello friends, welcome to our channel, and in this video we'll discuss about how we can use the performance form or how we can create the performance form in Excel. Here is the data which includes the son name, and we have the certain subjects, and we have the total, and the last one we have the percentage. First way we can insert the data manually, or the second function is we can use the forms. So how we can use the forms? We simply need to select the data which we need to create the form, or for which we need to create the form. Then go here in the new tab, and in the new tab you can see here the form option. We simply need to click on it, and here you can see the data of the first student. And if I go here in the new, I simply need to insert the student name, then marks, and simply press enter. So you can see here it automatically count the total and it automatically count the percentage as well. Now I simply need to again write the name of the student, and after completing the name of the student, if I need to close it, I just close here, and you can see here the data of the third student and the total and the percentage. This is how we will learn in this video how we can create the form and save our time. So let's start our example. We have the data which includes the student name, and we have the certain subjects in which we need to insert the marks. And finally we will make the total by using the sum function, and then we need to insert the percentage. For the simplicity or for the format, we just write here the data which includes the Brian, and then I write here the marks which includes the 90, 80, and then 75, then 80. These are the marks, and then we need to find out the total. So I just write here equals to sum, bracket open, it says numbers, so I simply select the numbers of the subjects, then close the bracket and write here enter. This is how we get the total. Now if we need to find out the percentage, so I just write here equals to bracket open, then divide by 400, assuming that each subject consists of 100 marks, then press enter. This is how we get the percentage, but it is in the form of numeric value or in the numbers. We need to convert in percentage, so I simply go here in this percentage symbol, and here you can see here the percentage. You can also increase the decimals as well. Then for the total, we just need to drag it down to apply the same formula, and for the percentage as well we use the same function. But to eliminate the numbers, suppose we don't write here the data, so it should not indicate the values. So how we can do it? We simply go here in the formula bar and make some changes. We write here if, bracket open, it says if the sum of the whole values equals to 0, comma, then it should give the empty, or it should not give any value, comma. In the else function, it should sum the data. So I just write here and paste, and then close the bracket and enter. Now if I drag the same formula, so you can see here, if I write here data, then it will give the value, else the cells remains empty. Now for the percentage, we use the same technique. We go here in the percentage and write here if, bracket open, again use the sum function. If the sum of the whole values equals to 0, comma, it should remain empty, else it will calculate the percentage. Then I write here enter and simply drag the same data here. So we get the first data. Now we can make the form to decrease the time or to minimize our efforts. So how we can do it? First, we go here in the file, and here you can see here the account, or you can see here the option. I go here in the option. In the options, you can see here customize ribbon. In the customized ribbons, you go here in the all tabs or all commands. I just go here in the all command, so you can see here the whole data. I just write here F, and in the F you can see here the different options. I need to insert the form. So how I can insert it? First, I need to select the tab. I just select this tab and then go here in the new tab. So you can see here it gives us the new tab, and I press add, and you can see here it has created a new tab, and then in the new tab it insert the form. I just press here OK, and you can see here the new insert tab, and the form is available in the tab. Now how we can generate the form? We simply select the data which we need to include in the form. Then go here in the new tab and press form. This is how you get the form as well. Now if I go here in the new, so if I write here the student name, family, then size 80, 75 or 78, 80, 90, then new. You can see here it count automatically. If I again write here the Albert, it counted automatically. If I again go here and write here the Mark, and again if I write here the John, so you can see here we get the detail of the students, and we get the technique to use the form. If you face any confusion while creating the form, you can write our in comment section. We'll surely reply to you. Thank you.